I can't wait to check it out.
All right, guys, got this nice chainsaw. I'm excited to try it out here. Nice little handheld guy. This is a one-handed use. This one's high efficiency, 21 volt max lithium, so should be plenty strong enough to cut through some little branches is all I'm looking for. Trim up some trees. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. Nice, it comes with some gloves too. Battery, hey, it comes with some safety glasses. I like that. I was gonna go search for mine in a second, but they got it covered. Oh, great. They come with another chain, battery charger. Oh, 2 batteries. So you got extra chain and a bar. Little guy for the oil, because you always oil your chainsaw. I do have some chainsaw oil that I'll go fill this up with. And an instruction manual. So the only thing that I see that you're going to need here is some chainsaw oil. All right, let's give this guy a try. I got a branch here. This is about the size branch. I was hoping to cut with this thing. I got a few trees. Here we go. I got it lubed up. Let me run some oil here for a second. Use it up. Perfect. Lightweight, so you can reach up and grab where you want to. 2 batteries, an extra bar. Great, I like it. Perfect.